How do you add captions on your Instagram Reels? Let me show you some methods which are available. If you are new here on the Foxtecc channel, I would recommend you to subscribe because there are so many tutorials which are coming up on this channel as well as already existing, so you will never miss anything. Now, of course, the Reels can be edited and created in many ways, but personally, I prefer a video editor which is called CapCut because in there, one of the features is literally to add captions. So you can just normally start a project like so, right? You can import your clips, whatever. But then when you select the clip on the timeline like that, you're gonna be able to scroll through all of the options and you should be able to find the captions, right? So it's like an automatic way to add the text or subtitles to the screen, so you'll basically see what the video is talking about directly on the screen. So it just makes sense for me because you can see that we can kind of like set it up in multiple, even in different ways. So we have the automatic captions, which kind of detect the text in the video. We have the templates or different types of text, because perhaps you might like different font or different way it shows up. And also there are the options available for entering captions manually in here. So yeah, you can see that there are plenty of ways to make it work through this application. Of course, you can also add it manually, which is much more work. So you can literally just add text lines one by one, because we have the ability to add just a regular text and you have the ability to time it. So that would be a lot more work, but I guess it's doable as well. So this is how I would personally do it. Of course, there are other apps on the Play Store which are dedicated to this particular purpose only, like to create captions for videos. So you can explore those, but I think you're going to have to use some sort of editor. So that is it from me. Hit the thumbs up for the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.